In this video, I'm going to show you how you can verify your age in Roblox. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. To verify your age, go ahead and first log into your Roblox account. And once you're here, head to More. And from this, scroll down until you see this option called Settings. Now, under Settings, go ahead and choose the first option, Account Info. And here you should see all your details. As you can see, I have here my email verified, but I like to go ahead and verify my age. To verify your age, scroll down until you see check your age to get more information. This is where now you verify your age. To verify your age, then you need to go ahead and send your selfie and also upload your ID. And this applies to age groups of 18 and above. So once you have done that, your details will be verified and this will give you or unlock more features on Roblox. As you can see, here we are told we can estimate your age with a selfie, or you can verify your exact birthday with an ID. So that's how you can verify your age on Roblox. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.